Python capitalize first letter only. I am aware. Capitalize is the first letter of a string, but what if the first character is an integer? This to this.
If the first character is an integer, it will not capitalize the first letter. If you want the functionality, strip off the digits, you can use to.isDigit to check for each character.
Only because no one else has mentioned it. However, this would also give i.e. it doesn't just capitalize the first alphabetic character. But then .capitalize has the same issue, at least in that Joe Bob .capitalize equals Joe Bob, so meh.
Here is a one-liner that will uppercase the first letter and leave the case of all subsequent letters. This will result in words without the uppercase letters.
This is similar to Atanon's answer in that it keeps the rest of the string's case intact, without the need for the re module. As Adzan pointed out, the function could use more error checking, such as checking that X is a sequence. However, I'm omitting edge cases to illustrate the technique. Updated per Normanius comment, thanks. Thanks to Geostone Martin in pointing out I didn't answer the question. Fixed that.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.